go, baby, don't stop now. There go, baby, don't stop now. There go, damn, shorty look good, and I'm thinking about getting at her. Okay, time to whistle at her. Hey, girl.
Did you know that polynomial factoring was a royal sport? Kings sponsored contests, and the best mathematicians in Europe traveled from court to court to demonstrate their skills. Polynomial factoring techniques were closely guarded secrets. What is polynomial factoring? Factoring is the separation of polynomial into a product of other smaller polynomials, or factors, which when multiplied together give the original number. How to factor a polynomial. Look at this video about how to factor a polynomial.
How to factor polynomials. Factoring is the opposite of distributing. If you can find a common factor, you can reduce an expression. You will need polynomial, a pencil, and paper. Step 1. Look at the expression and find the greatest common factor for each term. For the expression 2x squared plus 4x, both terms contain factors of 2 and factors of x. Step 2. Remove the largest common factors shared by each term, 2 and x, and place them outside a set of empty parentheses. Step 3. Determine the greatest common factor of each term of the expression. In the example, it's 2x. Then, determine what it's multiplied with to equal the original two terms and place those terms inside the parentheses. 2x times x equals 2x squared, and 2x times 2 equals 4x. Remember the distributive law, a times b plus a times c equals a times b plus c. Step 4. Finding the difference of two squares is another type of factoring. In the expression x squared minus 4, x squared is the square of x and 4 is the square of 2. Step 5. To factor the difference of two squares, draw two sets of parentheses. On the left side of each set of parentheses, split the first square, x squared, into two x's. Since this is a difference of squares, it only works out when one term is being subtracted from another. You cannot factor the sum of two squares. Step 6. Write the second square in the right side of the parentheses. Since the second term is being subtracted, each set of parentheses must have a different sign. Did you know Babylonians used a number system with a base of 60 rather than the standard system with a base of 10 we use today?
And who discovered that? The history of polynomial factorization starts with Hermann. Leopold Kronecker and Sirica rediscovered Hermann's algorithm in 1882 and extended it to multivariate polynomials and coefficients. What is similarity? Similarity in general means having a resemblance in appearance, character, or quantity without being identical.
But in mathematics, it's having the same shape with the same angles and proportions, though of different sizes.